Welcome guys to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up VirtualBox and your very first virtual machine. So all you have to do is search up VirtualBox, get the first thing that comes up, hit download. For whatever you have, I have Windows, so I'd hit Windows Host, and now we wait for it to download. Okay, and while we're waiting, search up Ubuntu ISO download for VirtualBox. Download Ubuntu desktop. Yeah, this version of Ubuntu looks good. So now it's going to download. This is going to be around 2 gigabytes, I believe. Okay, 2.9 gigabytes. So while we're waiting for that, open up your VirtualBox installer. I probably shouldn't have opened that like 10 times. Okay, let's open it once. Yes. Okay. So I already have a VirtualBox installed, but just click next, 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 next. It's going to ask you to make shortcuts and whatever. Just do everything. Yes, I want to cancel this. Just do everything as the default, because the defaults for everything is good. So I already have this ISO downloaded, so I don't need that. So once you're done with that, launch your VirtualBox. It's going to give you a prompt. Just just hit OK for everything. And now you have your virtual machine manager all set up, just like that. So then hit New, search Ubuntu. It's going to automatically go to Linux, Ubuntu, and if it doesn't, just click here, go to Linux, go to Ubuntu, 64-bit or 32-bit, whatever operating system version you have. Then hit Next. Memory size, I have 40 gigabytes of RAM, so I'm going to give this 20 gigabytes of RAM. Hit create a virtual disk now. Hard disk file, leave that as is. Dynamically allocated. Give this as much storage as you can spare. I will give this 20 because I have the available storage. And then hit create. And now our virtual machine is all powered up. It's all ready to be powered up for the very first time. But there's a few more things you have to do before you launch it. Next, go to settings. Go to system, processor, and my CPU has 8 cores, so I can afford to give it more cores. Give it as many cores as you possibly can. I'm going to give this 2 cores. And then under display, give it as much video memory as you can. I'm going to give 32 gigabytes of RAM. And enable 3D acceleration if you're going to use it to render models. Okay, hit start. And now our virtual machine is going to start up. Okay, now here it's going to ask you for your ISO image. I already have mine, but for you, who just downloaded yours, you would have to click the folder, add, then go to your disk file image, and just select it. Then choose it, and start it up. Okay, and now our virtual machine is loaded. So now I will help you through the installation. Okay, checking disks, blah, 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 blah. And any minute now. That is a horrible noise. So what you're going to want to do is go to install Ubuntu, choose your keyboard layout, normal installation, download updates. normal updates. Why is this taking so long? Okay, so right here, it's okay. You can click erase disk and install Ubuntu. Warning, this will delete all your programs, files, and whatever in all operating systems. I'm not going to do this because I already have. I'm creating a cryptocurrency in my other one, in this one. And using the same ISO file would erase it. And so I'm not going to want to do that. So what you guys have to do is just say okay for everything and choose the defaults. It's okay if you do erase disk. It's not going to actually erase your disk. It's going to just format your ISO file. So yeah, that's it. That's all there is to starting up your very own virtual machine and installing VirtualBox from your very own computer. Thank you guys for watching this video all the way until the end. It really helps me. Kind of. But yeah, thank you. Join my Discord if you haven't already. My Discord has been replaced with my official games Discord, and I really need more members. So my game goes very big when it comes out.